Hey everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to loop through form fields on the server side. For example, let's say you have a bunch of form fields and they're dynamically created and you don't know their names. They could be coming from a database ID, they could be just dynamically pulled in. The most usual way is if they come in a database and they have a database ID with them. Say, for example, questions that are in a question survey thing. So I'm going to show you how easily we can loop through those. So let's go ahead and let's open up a file. Let's call it survey, and we're going to create a form and just do this, post to itself. And then we'll go CF loop. In this example, we're just going to do a simple loop. Do 50 index equals x. And then let's do checkboxes, right? So we'll do question, output x. And then next to our checkbox, next to our name, we'll have a checkbox. So input type equals checkbox. Name equals question x. You can put an ID if you want. And then we'll put a BR tag in there. And then at the end, we will have a button, submit button, value equals submit. Let's go ahead and see how this looks. So here we have question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. all the way to 50. Okay, simple enough. Now, if we wanted to, we could if is define form dot submit. Didn't give our submit button a name, did we? That form there. And then we can see if dump var form. Let's put a value in these things too, because I'm not sure what they would. Value equals yes. So yes, it was submitted. So let's go ahead and refresh our page. Oh, that happens from time to time. Let's just fix that here. Okay, refresh. Oh, put it on the wrong side. Silly me. I'm in a hurry, I guess. I don't know why I shouldn't be. Okay, so if we select question 2, 3, 5, and let's go with 48. We go submit. It posted to itself. Oh, from dot submit. Hello. Alright, let's try this again. So we go 1, 2, 3, Let's do 26 and 49. So here we have question 1, 2, 26, 3, 49. So those submitted. Those are the ones that we checked and we submitted. Well, that's fine and dandy. We could filter through those. We could loop through them, right? You could do a check for every single one. Okay, is question 1 defined? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Is question 2? Nope. Oh, it's not. Is question 40? Oh, darn it. No, you don't want to do that. So we are going to loop through them. Okay? So we're going to, and the easiest way to do this is to loop through what is called a collection. Your collection is going to be your form. Your item is the field. That you captured. So you can do, let me just output this first off. So you go, which field, so that'll be the field name, and then we are going to call it, we're going to get the value of the form field. Just do a simple BR. So here's the field name, and then we're going to grab that field name from the form and output the value. It goes a little bit like, let's just do a refresh here and we'll resend it. There we go. So question 1, we got a yes. We have field names. We have the field names that were sent. Question 2, we got a yes. Just a submit button, and then you got the other questions. Not too bad. So now you can access those values a little bit easier. So what if you wanted to conditionally test for and only output, say, your questions? You don't care about the submit button. You don't care about the field names variable. You don't care. You want just what is pertinent to your data. Simple way to do that too. So we are going to see if which field starts with question then we're only going to output those questions. So we're going to resubmit it, and there we go. Now you have your questions that you want, and then you can even go further. If you, let's say you needed these IDs and you need to store them in a database somewhere, right? So we can go further and do which field dot replace question with emptiness. Oh, yep. We're gonna output that now. Resend. So now you have the ID, the value, ID, value, ID, etc. So yeah, just a simple little thing. Like I said, the most use case you would do is you'd have a database full of questions and IDs, and then you would query those from the database, and then you would have them. You'd have a prompt with them, like user when likes ice cream, yes or no, stuff like that. And you would simply just output the question name followed by the input. Now obviously you don't have to use checkboxes, and checkboxes are only sent to the server if they are actually activated. So something to keep in mind there. But yeah, it's a simple method for looping through your form fields and having those values available to you. If you do not know if it's a random thing, let's say that person selects the questions, right? They want question 14 and 17, and that's all they care about. Well, that way you don't have to test for, oh, did they test, did they ask every single one of these. You can just simply loop through it and then just grab the data that you want. Anyway, just a little simple tip and thought. And happy coding. We'll talk to you later. All right. Bye now.